as a company being involved with machinery supply in digital printing industry, we trust in two things. One of them would be that it's not about machines, it's more about providing solutions. So people, once they get something, once they invest, they will be able to make money and to return back money just the next day after they get their equipment and start doing things. That's why we're not about machines, we're about solutions and being able to fit their business models. And also the other thing is the service, of course. So we are those who want to come alongside people, and again, once they have set up their business and we help with the setup and installation on the side, we are actually those who will be with them. Even to the extent of printing some orders with them and getting them some advice on how to improve and do some consulting on how to extend their business. So I think it's not only about machines or consumables or just being able to fix the equipment. It's more about helping them to grow as businesses, and that's the natural approach to every industry, not only DTG, not only digital. So I think that's the approach that we'll be trying to move towards in 2019 as well, and hopefully we'll get some more people who think the same way that we are and will join the approach that we have.